Right, the kill switch has been playing up. I think it's just because it's 27 years old. It's a CBR 600 F3 97. I forgot how to take off the side bit of fairing, but to be fair, once I'm dismantled most of it, took the mirrors off, indicators off, I've lowered it down, and now I'm up to the point where right underneath the clocks, you can see I've got to take them two off, thread the wire through there, and hopefully through there I'll trace it back to this, and then take the blank out and put it all in. People say it takes about 25 minutes. I've been on this for about an hour now, just taking the fairing off. So hopefully I'll put it in two parts, but it should be done. But it's just one of them. On the F3 you've got to take everything off just to get at it. I don't want to take any more off. The headlights there, I'm finding a few bits and bobs, got to redo that. You know, it's an old bike and bits are just starting to corrode on it. But hope this helps. You're going to be taking nearly everything off that you don't want to take, and the two switches are right underneath where the clocks are, and then you've got to try and thread it back the way it is. Very tricky. Okay. The kill switch on this CBR 600 F3 has been playing up, and it's 50-50 whether it starts up again when you get to your destination, which is no good to anyone. So I decided to buy a pattern part, and the pattern part came like that. The only problem is, if you can turn it around, it hasn't got that bit there showing you the lights, and it also doesn't have the switch. So there's the switch there. So I presume I take that screw out there, and somehow that might come off, or I'm going to be fiddling away with that. After taking all the fairing off at the front, just to disconnect these, because they're underneath here, and you have to take the whole fairing off slightly, take the mirrors off, indicators underneath the panel, dropped it, managed to fit these, and then I retraced it round, done all that, and now I've got to get the cable off. Two cables for the accelerator, but I can't bring it down because it's stuck. So apparently I've got to take the tank off. So I took the seat off, unclip them by the carburetor. That's what it says in the manual, because I just can't get it down to cheat. I haven't got enough slack. Might try and slacken them off there first, but apparently that's the best way to do it. When I take that off, I can take all this off here, but it's still bugging me. If you can see here where the switch goes, it doesn't connect inside. Where this one, I don't know whether you can see or not, it has got a wire that goes off, that blue wire, and that blue wire goes off in there. What I thought was a 20-minute, half an hour job is just taking hours. It's just escalating as per usual. So I've done all that, put all this in, traced the wires round, and now I've just got to clip it back all in. I'm not too happy because, like I say, this one hasn't got, it's only minor like, but it's nice just to have them indicators on. I thought I might be able to take this clip off and put that one on, but I don't think I can, because it's welded shut there. It's got a bracket there that's welded. It's a shame really, but yeah, I tried cleaning the contacts and that wasn't right, and there is something, I don't know whether it's the switch, this switch, which I'll be in trouble if it is, just knocking it out, or it is the actual contact there, but something is stopping the bike. Right, best crack on. It's only been 2 hours up to now. Just thought to give you an insight. It's not an easy fix, it's just a headache as per usual. Right, to get to the cables, to slacken them, because I can't get anything from this to try and slacken, just to take these two cables out. I've tried slackening all around there, so I've took the tank off, the tank's come off, then you take the air filter off, then you can move this to one side, and there they are. And I'm just going to slacken them off, just to get all, just so I can slacken that off, so I can get the grip, the right side of grip off. Honda just didn't make this an accessible machine at all, the 600Fs. Absolutely horrendous job. And then once I've done that, I can try and rebuild it all. 30-minute job. Yeah, right. In what universe? Well, as always, hope this helps. I'm only halfway through and I'm about 2 hours in, 2.5 hours in. Absolute joke. It's one of them ones where you send it to the garage and go, yeah, alright, whatever cost it is, I'm really too old for this.